It has helped some 2,700 users check on more than 3,400 messages. They're hoping to scale up the platform with the use of artificial intelligence so that people can get faster responses.
In Checkmate, we actually receive quite a number of messages that are actually like from legitimate sources or true sources, but people are so skeptical and doubtful nowadays that they also are suspecting that this could be a scam. So that's also what we can help with. We can also help people to tell them that this is actually from a legitimate source.
For his efforts, he was awarded the Outstanding Citizen Contributor at this year's Digital Services Awards. Organized by GovTech, the awards recognize excellence in digital government services and the contributions of the community in improving them. In all, 44 awards were given out,